This is to calculate the subdivision level based on the distance from the camera, which can effectively control the number of faces in the scene. The demonstration effect is more obvious using a cube. First, we create a scene to display. We add a camera and 3 cubes at different distances, and establish a new geometry node. We need to use the active camera, and to apply it, we also need object info. Since the camera will move, we need to change a few originals to relative. Because we need to calculate the distance between the cube and the camera, we need the distance from vector math. Following 0, 0, 0 represents the origin point. Then we use the compara node to judge far, middle, and near. Add a switch and change the items to integer. Then add math to add up all the items to get the subdivision level result. Next, we add the most important subdivision surface and subdivision mesh. Connect the results with the original geometry. And finally, add the menu switch and add it to the group input to select the mode. You can change its name in the node. Let's test the effect of the node by inputting values. Oops. I found that the result is the opposite because the values of false and true are reversed, which can be corrected after changing. For convenience in adjusting, I added all the values to the group input to facilitate changes in the Modify panel. This geometry node has been completed, and I hope you enjoy the process.